Health benefits of watermelon. 1. It's front-loaded with essential nutrients. At just 46 calories per cup, watermelon packs a punch when it comes to nutrients. It contains about 15% of your daily vitamin C needs, along with a wealth of other vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin A and B6. Solid says, vitamin C strengthens your immune system and helps the body absorb iron. DeRocha says, while vitamin A is crucial for skin and eye health, watermelon is also rich in potassium, which works to lower blood pressure and supports nerve functioning, and vitamin B6, which helps the body break down the proteins that you eat and also boosts the immune system and nerve function. 2. It offers a big dose of lycopene. Lycopene is a natural compound found in watermelon and other fruits and vegetables that has antioxidant properties. The substance is also what gives watermelon its red color, but beyond its hue, lycopene is also good for you too. Meyer-Jacks says it has been shown to decrease the risk of cancer, heart disease, and age-related eye disorders. Lycopene works to protect your cells from damage, Solid says, and research suggests that it may have blood pressure-lowering effects when consumed regularly through dietary means. 3. Watermelon helps, keeps you hydrated. Watermelon is composed of more than 90% water. As the name implies, watermelon can keep you hydrated. DeRocha explains, we get 80% of hydration from what we drink and 20% from what we eat. Watermelon can definitely help with this balanced intake. Most adults don't drink enough water, and hydration is particularly important in the summertime, when temperatures rise and you may lose fluids from sweating. Meyer-Jacks recommends eating watermelon sprinkled with a little salt after a workout or when you've been sweating for a long period of time. The combination of carbohydrates and salt is ideal for replenishing lost electrolytes and carbohydrate stores, she says. 4. It adds to healthy digestion. Watermelon contains a high water content and a small amount of fiber. Both are key to keeping digestion moving smoothly. Meyer-Jacks says, fiber adds bulk to your stool and keeps you regular, while water helps move waste through your digestive system.